Guys, look, we got our 3 tier today, and so this is the picture right here. The instructions are here, and then these are clothes, and then this is the inside. This is our 3 tier. We had actually got this today, so we're building it right now. Our mom's helping us. Very cool, guys. Very cool. I might say.
And we'll get back to you as soon as we start building.
Remember, guys, if you want a Vegega garden bed, you can use our discount for 10% off. You just have to watch our last video to get the discount. So stay tuned, guys.
We're gonna have rain for a couple of days. But I need those scissors right away. I'll try to display them. That was funny. Can't forget the rods. Last time I forgot the rods.
Guys, this is where our garden bed's gonna be, right here. Okay, so we noticed that we had put the panels on the wrong size. So we're just gonna fix it to make it more prettier. My brother's working on that bed over there so we can plant our pomegranates. Okay guys, so we will need to get the brace bar for this.
Try and open it up. You can just rip the plastic. There's scissors too.
Okay.
This is dope. There we go. Oh, I guess I'll use one now, huh? So we're gonna put it, and this is the long one. And we put it up. 1 second screw down.
This is how it looks. What do you guys think? We're on our 2nd tier right now. We're still working on it.
Trying to get as much as we can get done today because it's going to rain soon.
Yeah, it's gonna be raining soon, guys. It's super windy.
But our goal this year is to come out and do something every day. Right?
Mm.
It's actually pretty fun building these.
Yeah.
Seeing it come together real nice. I won't tighten it because it has stuff. Maybe you can get some of these ready for me. brother, your guys' brother is getting that area ready over there so we can put the trellis and put our pomegranate. And a washer. I got one.
I don't have any washers.
The bag's over there. I'm kind of running low in my pocket. What you think, Ayana?
I think it looks nice.
Uh-oh.
I have 4 panels left. This is how it's turning out.
You mad at me?
Yeah, then take enough the plastic off the panel.
And Nayeli's handing the bolts and screws. Oh, thank you, Mom. That fell out of my pocket, huh? It's looking good, huh, girls? All right, back to hurrying up because it's going to rain. All the clouds. Wind. The wind actually feels really good, huh? Protecting film, huh?
Yeah,
Help not scratching. Almost done, huh?
Yeah, that's how it's turning out. This is the last panel from the tier for the tier. What do you guys think about the color? I think it looks nice.
Wish we would have had the moss and we could have did the same as those. After I do the ones in my hand, then I'll need the ones in yours. Which will be, I think I'll need 4 sets.
Put in our last bowl, and then we'll be done with the whole 3 tiers.
Last one. Mama, could you give me another nut? Sometimes the threads on these.
They're called washers, bolts, and screws.
You see, this is what I don't like about it.
Okay. We're trying to see if this is a position you guys want it. If it's in the centered right.
Guys, so we're figuring out which center we want it, and we kind of decided we want it to be like this.
Let me go around and see. So we need space through here. Space through here.
We have a new space.
We want to harvest limes. We need space through here. Buddha's hand. Oh, Nayali. Is that like enough space? And we need to see if it's centered with the arch. It's looking good over there for our pomegranates. Does that look center? That looks good about right there, huh? Hi, girls. All right, let's put some liner in there. This is the Vegega bed. Pretty fun to build. It looks pretty cool. Look at that, guys. Tiers. It's 11 inch. It's a 17 inch to 32 inch. It's really nice. Good size for people with bad backs like myself. Well, it's starting to rain. Might not be able to be out here much longer. Hey, girls. Singing in the rain? Oh boy. Well, at least we got to finish our Vegega bed for today.
Yeah.
Each day, a little in the garden each day.
So we're putting in the landscape paper first. Putting the landscape fabric inside things. Fabric inside the beds first.
So we can lay our dirt inside.
Yeah.
Or wood.
And it won't be directly on the rocks.
We're gonna be putting some woods in here, wood cuttings, because later on it would decompose into dirt.
Yes. Good job, sis. Very smart.
Some of this just to settle it down.
And so we're putting some of these woods to settle the landscape fabric down. Make it stay. So we're moving some of the dirt from the other garden bed over here in our new 3-tier.
Very good dirt. Where we were putting all the chicken manure and stuff. A lot of worms in here.
It's a very good dirt.
It's got a
So now we're filling our tiers up with dirt. See you guys.
This garden bed is getting ready for the new plants coming. That's how it looks down there. All right.
gotta represent my girlies.
Dad representing the
Little
girls.
See?
He's got his eats and chews. Even a little dirt on there. Shows he's working. Hey, thanks for wearing their shirts. Should get on one with chickens on it. So the girls went around collecting a bunch of branches all around the yard to fill up. Huh?
It was in one spot. It was in a bag.
And then we're going to put them in here. I'll fix it and arrange it for them. All right. Good hard workers. They want their garden this year. All right. Getting all the crabgrass out of there. The stuff that grows the best and most. we're filling up the 3-tier. Yeah, these collecting leaves and sticks to put in their.
Yeah.
We're filling it up pretty quick, huh? All right. Ayana's got some. Leave them everywhere. It's a good way to clean up the yard.
Is there some sticks in here?
Good way to clean up the yard, pick up some sticks. Fill up the tier Vegega garden bed. One day it would be nice to change these to Vegega garden beds one day and just start eliminating all the wood and just doing metal garden beds, but step by step. It would be nice to have these a little taller. All the girls are hard at work. It's raining right now. Just sprinkles. All right. All right, well, I'm gonna get back to cutting some bigger pieces here. Putting some of the rosemary and the rosemary cuttings in there from when we pruned the rosemary. And this is some more dirt that we're gonna put in the dirt bags.
Guys, so we're getting some rosemary leaves for our 3-tier Vegega beds. So we're filling up our wheelbarrow with the rosemary that we had pruned from that our rosemary bush. Hi, sis.
Did it help me?
Yeah, thank you guys.
Hello to me.
Just say hi to the fans.
All the good parts were right down here.
Hi, sorry, I think there's rosemary leaves in my right.
Okay, so we got a bunch of rosemary cuttings in here. Let's take this one out. I don't want new crabgrass. All the rosemary cuttings in there too. And then we're gonna fill it up with the rest of the dirt now. Whew. And the garden bed's coming out nice. All right. Working on the next garden bed. This one's done. It just needs some more soil, some amend and warm castings and all that good stuff. This one's getting all the weeds taken out, clearing out that awful bedding over there, and putting some of the dirt into here. It's almost full. It's getting there. A lot to fill up, but it'll be worth it at the end. Another stormy day. I have to delay our garden. Unless it stops and we can get out there again. It's actually hailing. You see? I don't know if you can see the ice all right there. Oh, you can see the ice on the shed. It's hailing, Boo-Boo? Oh boy, we wanted to get out in our garden. But that's okay, we need the rain.